Okay, we're going to start from up here. We're up in the residence here. This is actually where the residents of this collection live. We're on their deck here. So down below you can see our cars, and it gets you a pretty good vantage point of the whole place. Let me just kind of walk along here and check it all out. Everybody's just kind of enjoying the show, and there's so many cool things to look at out here. And let's just walk along here and take it in. There's that close-up of that 76 ball we looked at earlier, and got our cars all kind of piled in downstairs, down in the courtyard, let's call it. We've got all kinds of different collections here. A lot of Petrolania stuff here, some gas pump stuff as well, and signs and signs and signs galore. Got a nice neon Ford sign there. We got the mobile sign over there, and we're going to go downstairs a little later and look in some of these garages. Earlier I showed you what I thought at a glance was an altered. Well, no, that's a dry lake bed racer. Did over 200 miles per hour, so we'll revisit that one after we get downstairs here. So just taking it all in from the balcony. Just some amazing stuff here. Just incredible stuff. Yeah. Alrighty, so there we go. So